dhehebu mbalimbali Bwana ambalo umechagua kiongozi. Tumesimama ili kuitisha wema na neema yako na Roho wako Mtakatifu akashuke tunapoanza mkutano huu. Tuone wema wako Bwana tunaponena maneno na yakawe yafanaka, ni kwa ajili ya mwanafunzi na watoto wetu, ili kuwatakia wanawili katika masomo yao. Tunaliinua jina lako Bwana, karibu na ukatende mema. Mwisho tena tukimaliza tutasema ni asante, na katika jina la Yesu Kristo tumeomba na kuamini. Amen.
Haya, kila mtu aseme amina. Asante sana. Hebu tusalamie gavana wote, tumsalamie gavana, tumpungie mkono wote, tumpungie kabisa. Asante gavana Kisii County, waziri wa elimu, naibu speaker na leader of majority, kwa sababu gavana wetu balie ni muite the county secretary who is also the head aweze kuendelea.
Your Excellency, Governors Paul Sibarati, waheshimiwa wa County Assembly ambao wako hapa, the County Executive Committee members, the CEOs present, the directors, the beneficiaries of today's bursaries, those who have come, the principals of our TVETs and vocational training centers, na wazazi ambao wamefika, hamjambo. Tunashukuru Mwenyezi Mungu kwa kutupa nafasi hii, kwa sababu leo gavana wetu tena atapeana bursaries kwa wanafunzi ambao wanahitaji msaada katika masomo yao. Let me, sir, take this opportunity to thank you for these projects. For I know that once you have given these bursaries to the needy pupils, you are touching the hearts of each and every one of us, because I know that at their level of learning, what they need will be sufficient for them to take through them in a year or even in 2 years. And hence would have touched the hearts of many. So we want to thank you. Allow me, sir, to recognize the county staff who are here. I just mentioned, you stand up and wave to the governor and the audience that is here. All our county executive committee members, please, wherever you are, just stand and wave to the governor. Thank you so much, Maziri. The chief officers who are here with us, please stand up and wave. Thank you so much. The directors who are here, directors of the county government, thank you so much. We have our sub-county administrators who are here, sub-county administrators, ward administrators. Thank you, thank you. Those the county staff that have been represented here during this launch. Without wasting time, Your Excellency, allow me to bring in the County Executive Committee member for Education, so that he can take over the program.
Thank you, Bwana CS. Your Excellency, my colleagues, CCs, members of County Assembly, and all invited guests, good morning. I will be very brief, Your Excellency, because of time. I will begin by introducing the principals of our VTCs. Please rise. Thank you. Your Excellency, we invited the principals because you may sit, because this time we are launching the bursary for Form 1 and vocational training centers. I want to announce that we are ready. We have finished writing the checks for Form 1 and vocational training centers for the 45 wards. And allow me also to appreciate the team from education that is seated there, because they have been working up to 7 p.m. to ensure that we are ready. My chief officer was around. You may also wave. We have collaborated well. Your Excellency, without wasting time, I want to request you to receive the dummy check that we are launching today, together with the names that we have for the bursary of this year. After this, we will continue with the other program.
Wote kwa heshima tusimame, tushangilie, tupige makofi, tumpigie gavana wetu pamoja na kabineti yake na ndugu wajumbe wa County Assembly kwa kazi nzuri ambao wanafanya. Hebu tushangilie, tupige makofi tafadhali. 77,824,000 zote zinaenda. Hebu tumsalimie gavana, tumpongeze gavana kabisa. Asante sana.
Your Excellency, after we finish, you will give a few of the members of Bobaracha Ward. Please, you may also rise, those who came from Bobaracha Ward. Thank you. You allow me this time to invite the Chair for Education in the County Assembly to continue.
Thank you very much, Bwana CC. Your Excellency, our Governor, the CECs who are here, the Chief Officers who are here, the members of the County Assembly, the guests who have come, our admins, and I know there are very many invited guests. Good morning. Good morning to you all. Yeah, my name is Victor Ombasa, the Chair of Education in the Kisii County Assembly. I want to be very brief because, as we've been told, the Governor has several programs ahead during the majority leader. Your Excellency, I want to say that you have done very well in matters. When you started this project of bursaries, you have managed to give bursaries for the second year in a row, and this is very good because our children are learning. Of any county, the backbone of any country is about education. When our children are at school, our county is safe, our government of Kenya is also safe, our world is safe. Number two, Your Excellency, we have had a few challenges in the issuance of our checks. There were some checks which are a problem. You will find that a check has been written to a school like Kisii School, but the child or the student is learning at Kanutunga High School. I'm glad to report that those checks have been remade and they have been sent to our wards and the beneficiaries have received them. So that is good progress. And I look forward to us continuing with this program of issuing bursaries for children so that our county is safe. I do not want to continue more from here, Your Excellency, because of the time. Let me now invite the majority leader to come and do the rest of the program. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Excellency, the Governor, honorable members, CC President, head teachers, wazazi wote na wasalimu hamjambo. Hamjambo tena. Your Excellency, I know your schedule is very tight, but allow me to give the honorable member whose word is here, Honorable Ibrahim, just to say a word as I continue.
Thank you, Leader Majority. Your Excellency, MCAs, for example, mawaziri, chief officers, walimu na wazazi, hamjambo. Hamjambo tena. Gavana, mimi sitakuwa na mengi, wacha nishukuru kwa sababu ya watoto wetu ambao wanaenda kupokea cheki leo. Nakumbuka hata wakati fomu zilikuwa zinapeanwa, kulikuwa na wale wenye walikuwa wanaitwa on my behalf. Today I'm here personally kuona vile hizo cheki zinapeana kwa watu wangu wa Karachi. Namshukuru sana.
Thank you. That one is more for Mheshimiwa Ibrahim. Karibu Mheshimiwa.
Your Excellency the Governor, all protocols observed. Habari ya asubuhi. My name is Jacob Barongo Bagaka. I'm the MCA for Masini West and also the Deputy Speaker for Kisii. I want to first of all commend His Excellency the Governor for finding it fit that this time we are going to extend the bursaries to the Tibet. Students or children from home who are now in the Gen Zs. I know you have heard about the Gen Zs and they're on the streets. Today to extend the bursaries to the young people to go and do courses in the Tibet to ensure that they have skills to be able to be employable and be able to make is something that we have to applaud and ensure that it continues, because at the end of the day, these are the people you see on the streets. If they're not employable, they do not have particular skills to be able to do something and feed their families. You find many. So I want to commend that, and more especially also, we have extended the bursaries to the driving schools. Now, in our wards, you find that there is an allocation for months, and there is a small allocation for our people, to upgrade from just riding the motorcycles and having a skill so that they can be able to fend for their families. We have to take here, especially some activities. Mwana karaba take course ya plumbing, mwana tole course ya tailoring. University. So it's a good thing, and I want to wish you well, Your Excellency. So thank you very much. May God bless you.
Education tafadhali msimame. Pale mko Committee Education. We all need to thank you.
the various beneficiaries across all the 45 wards consisting of BTCs and Form 1 students. This time round, we are dispersing a total of 77 million in bursaries to 18,627 students in various secondary schools and vocational training centers. This is the remaining bursary allocations we are dispersing from the last financial year, having issued 167 million to Form 2, 3, and 4 students. We delayed the issuance of bursaries to Form 1 since then they are not reported to their schools of choice. Although the disbursement has come after the reopening of schools, it will still serve the intended purpose of helping our most vulnerable families in offsetting for their balances. And I want to point out, yes, I know some of those who are not very discerning cases or discerning cases would have gotten into it. And process it as your own its challenges, but we will fix it as you're moving forward. Our quest to support needs students intend to afford the education which is worth the equalizer, enabling them to scale the socio-economic, political, and relational in legal. As I promised last year, the bursary kitty was increased from 145 million to 245 million, each electoral ward receiving an average of 5 million shares. And the fund has been transparently executed through the honorable MCS. Out of the 5 million allocation per ward, we issued 4 million to secondary schools in Form 2, 3, and 4. And the remaining 1 million was earmarked to help students in Form 1 and the BT6. I'm happy and grateful to Honorable MCS for overseeing the successful exercise of distribution the bursary forms to needy students in a transparent and orderly manner. I personally participated in the first phase of the bursary forms issuance to Form 2, 3, and 4 students. Equally, to deter any form of mischief and fraud regarding dispersing of funds, we adopted issuance of individual checks to beneficiaries. I now challenge the benefiting students to work diligently and post impressive academic performance, as this is the only way that we can realize value for money spent on bursary program. To help boost performance in other areas in the education sector, we have already employed all our ECD teachers on permanent and pensionable terms. Equally, in the last financial year, we managed to commit funds to the construction of ECD classrooms across the county. Once built, the classes will be equipped and transformed into centers of excellence for early child learning. We are also gearing to revamp our vocational training centers, offer quality education and exposure to the learners. It's important that I can pause there at this point. Today, I decided to have all the vocational training centers head all the principals, because I know this is an important area of interest for the community. I know I have had a problem, and for sure I have a problem with a number of the principals, because vocational training centers has become a center of corruption. Big one, not in a small one. I want to request any principals here, I can't look back. I have to deal with individuals head on, without mercy. This week, I'm dealing with one principal who has become broke, who decided to pick another teacher to be the accountant, where this person has been receiving money on his M-Pesa number. Students are paying through his M-Pesa. How accountable will you be? How transparent that can be? I know that's the practice. He's not the only person. Money that you have set to that institution has been invested. I've said that principal to be given a short course and be suspended forthwith without mercy. And the disciplinary actions, of course, it will take place. And I'm king. Hapa ndio nilikuwa nimesahau. Nilikuwa nimesahau mambo ya vocational training centers. Walimu mmekuwa mmekusanya pesa, mnaenda nayo kwa soko, mnafanyia vitu vingine, hii lazima itaisha. This gentleman, even he received close to 5 million. Na hiyo pesa, you cannot trace it. Kwa hivyo, kama shoki itaangukia wewe, umesema itatoka. Bila huu. Today, najua hapo mwezi pia makofi kwa sababu lazima tukanyaga. Ukiuliza wazazi wako hapa, they have only come to pick around 3,000, 5,000. Then you give them an opportunity. They're ongoing. Wewe kazi yako unataka kukula tena pesa ambao wazazi wamefanya bidii. Hapana. Hiyo tafadhali, I have a report and I'm out here, I don't know if the director of audits is involved. I've gotten a report from every vocational training center. Probably next week I'll look into it. Tukikuita tafadhali mitiki. Ama ukipenda vizuri, ukipata mambo ni ngumu, wewe potea. Resign, potea. Kwa sababu nisikia watu wana resign, potea. Good people. We are also our plan to have training colleges nation or mentored by foreign centers of excellence in technical training is well on course. Already, Nyaore Polytechnic is set to collaborate with the One University or the One City Polytechnic in skill and knowledge exchange. Ile timu ya Nyaore iko? Nyaore. Sikilenda wa bwana tena. They came last year. Tutahakikisha kwamba Nyaore again remains the number one country. Lakini ukora iko lazima leo nitasimamisha hapa. Hiyo bizarre institution bwana, hata niona mashine ikiwa ndani ya darasa. Kwa hivyo tutashughulika. Wewe ni nani? Wewe ni active. Mwingine amepewa barua? Yes. Amepewa. Amekuwa suspended. Suspended today. Yes. Leo. Unajua kiwa suspended za afsara hiyo biashara nyingine inaanza. Kuna biashara nyingine. Yes, been a good person. Nadhani pia mliwacha sana. Mwambie yeye hiyo ukora yake anapeleka mahali anapeleka. Nyaore. Ndugu yangu ukiwa umeshikia hapo kwa sababu kabla tujaleta mtu ambaye atafanya hiyo kazi. Nitaomba Nyaore itabaki kuwa the center of excellence as it was. I see the principles of life. The principles what are the Jesus. Ndio mimi nafanyanga mambo yangu wazi. Nani anajisikia kwamba ni mzuri kwa yourself? Yule mzuri kabisa. Kuna Robo yote ni watu wabaya. Hakuna mtu mzuri hapo? No, yule anajisikia kwa roho yake. Kwa professional training gani? Irungu. in coming. Where have you been? In class. Another principal, you know what is here? Where? Nyamongo. Nani anatoka Nyamongo? MCA. How is Nyamongo? Ubali, where's Ubali? Ama yuko kwa press ingine nimesema watu wa press kama barabara. Wewe? Bomba. It's in Bomba what?
Yes, in the Boitendere where.
Oh, Boitendere. Yes. Mheshimiwa Badilisha. Bomba waitwaje? Ndio kusema. Unaona hata MCA wako mwingine yule anasikia amefanya kazi nzuri. Yes, mwalimu. Hebu basi. Iko wapi? Umechoka tena.
The same one.
How is it also between Bombaba and Nyarumas?
One thing I want to say, the Nyarumas started a long time ago. Because it has most of the started between 2014 to 2016. It is a small school. It is a small school. Around there is a center of examination for national examination. Yes, that's what I would say. But the Yorubas is a bigger institution than I am
How long have you been there? Unapoka na magapi ya jamii? Wengine kiti tafadhali. Moja ni mbili na huko. It's not right. But Nyaore becomes number one country. How you are second to Nyaore? But you are second to Nyaore. You're sure?
Yes.
It is.
Yes.
Therefore, how long have you been there? 4 years. Wewe ni mtu mzuri. I may send you to Nyaore. Angalia mzee. Kama tutazapinga yeye Nyaore. Na nani anajisikia anaweza enda Nyarumas? Wako ni wapi mzee? Wako ni wapi?
Machoge chache.
No, wako mahali unaishi.
Mimi naishi Machoge chache, Machoge pasi. Eje tuki.
No, kwenu ni wapi? Sasa wacha nikuulize.
Eje tuki.
Sababu nzuri ya wewe kutoa wewe Nyarumas ndio hiyo. Wewe pelekwe Nyaore. Usikae kwenu. Wewe Nyaore basi ndio number one country. Kwa tunafanyanga hivyo, si ndio? Ndio wasema tulipeleka pesa naenda kulipa peana ombo hapana. Kwa sababu ya second to Nyaore, you must make Nyaore remain number one. Na uame kwenu nyumbani wewe operate wako. Lakini Nyaore na Nyarumas sio mbali. When you operate from morning kwenda unakuwa. Mheshimiwa anasema lazima nitafute mtu mwingine mzuri. Nani mwingine mzuri? Nani mtu mzuri hapo? Hata mjui kwamba ama ipo liboroje kasi. Nani huyo? Simama Abigail.
Yes. I'm working in Nyabogo Vocational Training Center.
Where is it?
In Nyabogo.
In Nyabogo. Yeah. Inafanyaje?
It is a new institution. Started 2018.
How long have you been there?
I've been there since 2020.
Ni nini umefanya ya kufanya kwamba utaweza pia wewe promotion nzuri, shule nzuri?
Okay, the institutions, when I went to them, I found that it had no office. There was no fencing, the workshop. It was a very bad condition. So from that time, I ensured that there is an office and the institution is replaced. Nasiba.
Okay. When did you open it? Waziri, get among these people, the good ones, ambao we can appreciate and we can support to make sure those vocational training centers, centers of excellence. Therefore, what I would want is that get the best. Replace Nambu Nyabrubas, the kwenda kule ama huyu women, local women are very good. Women are very good. Women sio wezi kama wanaume. Ukipata mwanamke fizi huyo ni yule. But for the women, we have a sense of feeling that yes, this is our community, we must help. Therefore, again, it's important for us to get the institutions, ambazo ziko zinafanya mzuri, we support them, for them to deliver for our people. Allow me to say this before I make a few remarks for my small notes again. As we embark on journey of transformation, I must put all vocational training centers principles on notice. Anyone engaging in corrupt practices will be dealt with by the full force of law and full force of ourselves. Kabla ya sheria kuja kwako, tutakuwa tunadili na wewe. The money that had gone to Nyaore, if it was put in good use, I can assure you, kila mtu amekimbilia Nyaore hapa. Kwa hivyo, yule mtu ataingia Nyaore, nataka nijue kila kitu ambayo kimefanyika huko. Vocation, yani Nyaore ndio the best in the country, and it cannot turn to be the center of corruption. As I conclude, let me thank the members of the County Bursary Board, the service providers, that those are banks, the staff, especially the staff. I want to thank you this round up, the gentlemen and ladies who are involved in the, I hope again, this round up, you will not make mistakes of tulichoka kuandika cheti from the point. You know how we deal with those individuals. Kila mtu anajua ni nini ameandika, na I want to appreciate you guys, na nitanulia nyinyi chai. Kwa sababu ya kazi nzuri, nimesikia mnafanya kazi nzuri. The person who has come in there, the chief officer, he calls himself a Tharaman. He's a PhD holder, but he's a last one. Unajua shida tunakuwa na last ones. Kwa hivyo, Dr. Mubegi, I believe with yourself, and you know, the good thing, he's a very thorough guy. He's a very thorough guy. Now that you've also got another person who can help you, the Department of Education, especially on bursary issuance, is indeed classrooms to be constructed, and other, you know, even the libraries are, I hope. Let us not be ashamed because I'm in the young people office. These are very good people. Therefore, I thank you guys. Parents, the media, Thank you for enlightening the society what we are doing. It's a good thing. And all those who participated in making this exercise successful. Today, beneficiaries from the Marachi board were invited to receive their checks throughout the week under the leadership of honorable and officers. Beneficiaries across the county will be receiving their checks from ward offices. For the ward admin status, where are you? Where is the ward admin of Basco Tangari? Uko sawa sasa? Uliwacha pombe? Where's Waziri? Not you. Where's no. Mnajua mmoja?
Yes, yes.
Have you checked his ways? No. Yeah. Uko mzuri sasa. I can even say that uko mzuri. To be told and say to me because you are not doing anything. Unakumbuka wazazi wakiomba kupewa one chance. Which chance I've given you? My brother, Ryan Pastor, wachana na pombe. Nijui wewe na mimi. Kama tungeanza kununua pombe. Biashara zingine za account. Good people. Issuance of bursary is not an exercise of MCS. They are here. It's an executive office duty. When things go wrong, these gentlemen and ladies who are here, they oversight our works. I'll request you guys. Issuance of bursary, hakuna mchezo. We're going to have a small train, God willing, especially the coming bursary, that kisha kwamba kazi imefanyika mzuri. Kwa hivyo, I'm calling upon you guys, these checks will be issued throughout the week, actually the new week. Hakisha kwamba mtu amekuja and we must get. Make sure kwamba umeandika jina la mtoto, admission number, ID ya mzazi, phone number. Don't imagine. I don't want you to imagine like I'm told. My guys do issue out projects ambazo zimefanyika. Mtu ameenda kwa ofisi, ameuliza project ngapi nimeweka machoke basi. Anaambiwa we not even going to see kama hizo projects zimefanyika. Hakisha kwamba namba iko hapo, mtu anaweza pigiwa isemekane ndio alipokea checks. You are our ambassadors, you are my people. I want to request present the government properly. Asante keti. South Mugrango wako wapi? South Mugrango what that means. Congratulations you guys. Nini even for revenue collection, mmetangulia. Wewe umeingiaje huko? Nataka uone. It was the real one. Wewe nataka nipeleke mahali pengine. happy with you people, you did a good job. Kwa hivyo na nyinyi appreciate for those people who are working. For those ones who think that kuna siku mkono haiwezi anguka. Kwa hivyo ndugu zangu, asanteni sana. You guys did a good job. Endelea na hiyo kazi. Thank you. Allow me to say this. I think I've already mentioned. Allow me to say this. For the bursaries, the remaining 3 years ahead of us, we will make it a successful story for the county and the country to know. We're going to engage, and I'm requesting the MCAs or MCAs in the future, if you allow me, is that yes, we have done very well in secondary schools, but I see also these guys who are at school, how we can do what agency, how we are going to engage them, get a skill before joining university or joining colleges. It should be our responsibility. Wazazi, naomba you see, be expressed by Korea. We have done our part. They have done their bit. I want to make a request. Like the Master. We have promised teacher. Especially abana abaisiki. To make sure abana bachiye school na baramuka na ikitobe byebisa kubinde bimwaka abakungu basometse akuba na nobra ebese. Chibesa twawayi twakorera sente. I make sure umwana akore bye achiye school. Onyo umwana tumaye umwana w'umwana w'umwana abantu bayigurwaye gatwaye first priority. I tolerate onyo mwe sio hotel. Onye toko yo mwe sio tele oboda ni mwana mwe. Onyo boda ni tayo esa counter ni na. Onye tayo chinga kitu kwa doktora ne yitude na ya ra mtume tu mwanagete na watu mitano. Anaenda kwa yeye tuenda ile pasa. Either by commission or omission. Kimakosa mwana wao yoka na kuona na haya. I get there is an injustice. Kwa yore mmoja nzee ile mpaka abana buka na watu ndio yukiesi. Mmoja ile I will also smile very soon. Igual que vas a ver aquí, como malaika, como que ali que eu. Se dá olha vai ter dar uma como era não dá para só vou eu o escuro na aula para a ena mamwe ke intutore tayari ebrasi abana ukoro tole usento genda na ndege mwangu muntu kwa mabera matukonzi very careful agora nyoga kokoroke usabere bus cut. Tukao contracte. Contracte obe anachanga. Agaitlega aro. Dia kolek. Kanggo memsiara itu nopo kena amuai aku keluar amen mana nak pergi je. Mulai dari kamu kisah sekian nopo garai wala ikera nopo kontrak nopo. Nanti as long as aku lagi nanti je kontrak ada una growth. Dia akhirnya masuk ke dalam kurikulum. From my own pocket, I can offer you one. I thought again, go here. Oh, one was simply put a very the air and the tablet, elastic. Will be interesting times. That's all point what you want. Wish you Ibrahim. But you have to change. And you didn't want that. Take away that more here, more and more. Then it can tell and go the gender They came in like next school, naturalist, or Ulysses. They city, ordinary, operate photocopy. Sasa, yo. It's good well. But I don't know much more. You talk to the teacher. They come in exercise, give us the role we can be able to say, what you do, you got to make sure, and one woman, I
naomba naibu spika na majority leader waje tafadhali na chairman wa budget na committee yako education. Mo waka chinko vya wana wakile wasoma nando komenda chinko vya awanamara. Asante sana. Ninyi sasa mtarudi
This exercise, chief officer, make sure it's and for the other wards, those in charge, it has to be very clear. Okay. And okay. We don't want to be told who takes it for here. All other wards, the CC chief officer will decide what guns the undertaking. Officers, they will help in issuance. Actually, in the exercise, so that in another 2-3 days, every ward has been covered. Amewacha huku alafu tena kwanza sio nyingine ama vipi? Yeah, kwa hivyo I'm not going to allow that behind kila mtu at least 2 a day umemalizana, 2 a day umemalizana. But again, we have what's umepokea pesa, usiwe na haraka kutumia kwa sababu itapelekwa nyumbani. Alijaleta pesa ya kwenda kuliko madeni. Kwa hivyo